This is a great heater. I wanted to show you how well it works and how much I love it. Number one, the cord is very long, which is very convenient for where you sit. There's 3 settings. There's the fan, a higher heat setting, and then the highest heat setting. It can be controlled with this as far as how much warmth you want to have it come out, and obviously that turned it off all the way. It produces a lot of heat. Right away I feel the heat coming on. I was really amazed on how much heat this produces. What I love the most is this. It moves it all, it stops. So there's no risk of having the heater fall on the ground when it's heating. Just a little bit and it stops. So it's a great little heater at a great price, and I really like it. Easy off, and then I usually unplug it. So I highly recommend it.
So this product, the heater, was delivered on the 18th. Today is the 21st, and it was working perfectly fine. Yes, you can see it's off and it's connected, and it's not. See, not even on fan mode. Level 1 or level 2. It's not working anymore, and it's actually on the highest level, or it doesn't matter. See, it's not working. I'm not burning myself or anything like that. It even has the stickers. Like, I haven't taken off any stickers. And I know it's actually pressed on the bottom. You can actually hear it, the clicking, but it's not working. Not even this is red. Too bad.